HPE ProLiant DL360 Gen10 server is the best option for whose data center needs a secure, performance-driven dense server that you can confidently deploy for virtualization, database, or high-performance computing. Does your data center need a secure, performance-driven dense server that you can confidently deploy for virtualization, database, or high-performance computing? The HPE DL360 Gen10 server delivers security, agility, and flexibility without compromise. It supports the Intel Xeon Scalable processor with up to a 60% performance gain and 27% increase in cores, along with 2933 mount divided by HPE DDR4 smart memory supporting up to 3.0 terabytes with an increase in performance of up to 82%. With the added performance that HPE persistent memory, HPE NVDI MMs, and 10 NVMe bring, the HPE ProLiant DL360 Gen10 means business. Deploy, update, monitor, and maintain with ease by automating essential server lifecycle management tasks with HPE OneView and HPE Integrated Lights Out 5. Deploy this 2P secure platform for diverse workloads in space-constrained environments. Support for additional second-generation Intel Xeon Scalable processors with improved price, performance. Networking choice server models provide greater flexibility in the primary networking selection. Enhanced ILO 5 security features such as server configuration lock, ILO security dashboard, and workload performance advisor. HPE InfoSight provides a cloud-based analytics tool that predicts and prevents problems before your business is impacted. HPE Persistent Memory offers the flexibility to deploy as dense memory or fast storage featuring Intel Optane DC persistent memory, and enables per-socket memory capacity of up to 3.0 terabytes. 5.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.